Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see how to change background of photos on iPhone. For this, first of all go to your photos and select any image and then press hard on that image and select the photo part only, and then click on copy and go to your messenger or any other platform and paste it over there. Now save this image in your gallery and go to any other platform like CapCut and click on the photo editor. From here click on edit and then choose background and select the photos at first and start choosing the wallpaper whichever you like. In this way you can change background of photos on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.